Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to another edition of Who Wins, where we're going to compare Shibaswap in the farming wolf area in terms of liquidity versus PancakeSwap in their farming liquidity area. Which one has the best APR? And we're also going to look at some other factors as well. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. My name is Adam Shelton, the host of Who Wins. I like to compare different things together and give you the information and you can decide. Not financial advice, I just like to do it for entertainment and informational purposes. Let's dive into this content. So the first contestant, come on out here and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel as well. The first contestant, let's bring out Shibaswap. Now this is the Shibaswap wolf area in terms of liquidity pool, and right now the highest APR is the bone wrap Ethereum. That is the highest one at this particular time. We also have 296 of the APR, and we also have the liquidity that's being provided in there at a good rate as well. And then we also have Elon wrap Ethereum, BXV versus with wrap Ethereum as well, and LEASH and bone and LEASH and wrap Ethereum, just to kind of give a couple of them as well. Another thing I like about the wolf area is the fact that you can also earn different types of rewards as well, as long as you just follow the guidelines. So that is the APR percentage of the wolf area of Shibaswap. And so now let's bring in the contestant of PancakeSwap. I do like PancakeSwap. I am a fan of PancakeSwap because they do have some really good options here, and I'll go ahead and bring them up. Now, the highest APR on this is this one right here. That's the highest one, which I was a little surprised. I was expecting a little bit higher, but you got to think about the APR percentage does fluctuate sometimes. Sometimes they're high, sometimes they're low. You saw in Shibaswap, it got as high as 500% in one of the pairings before, but it probably works the same way with the PancakeSwap farming liquidity pool tokens area. So you do have this percentage of BNB, and your C98 that's tied in, that's the pairing. You have chess and USDC at 212.89%, and then you also have among some other ones as well. Now Shibaswap wins the highest APR percentages at this particular time with the bone and wrap Ethereum is 296, and the highest here is C98 with BNB. So that is what it is there. And when you look at the liquidity pool, it seems like Binance with PancakeSwap is very, very attractive. Now with PancakeSwap, you cannot get at this particular time, I don't know if they ever changed this, you can't get Shiba as in right now, but there's other really good assets that you can really do as well. Now let's look at the wallet connectability. If I was trying to connect the PancakeSwap, it has multiple wallets. It does have multiple wallets. Have MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Math Wallet, Token Pocket. We have Wallet Connect, Binance Chain Wallet, SafePal Wallet, and Coin98 Wallet. Now, for an advantage, PancakeSwap has been out there longer than Shibaswap, so I'm not surprised that they will have more wallets connecting to their actually platform versus Shibaswap. So Pancake wins that, but only because they've been around a long time and they're a little bit more proven, where you have Shibaswap, if I go back here, only has, go back, 3 at this particular time, and I'll go ahead and bring them both together side by side. Go this way. Go back, let me see here, let me go, I just want to do it side by side, and I want to bring them just to kind of look at the difference. Okay, if you see that, you have MetaMask, they both use MetaMask. They're both, Trust Wallet does work with Shibaswap with Wallet Connect. Math Wallet is not on Math Wallet. Shibaswap's not on Math Wallet. Wallet Connect, yes. Token Pocket, no. Binance Chain Wallet, no, on Shibaswap. SafePal Wallet and Coin98 Wallet is not on there as well. So really PancakeSwap does get the win there, but Shibaswap gets the win when it comes to the highest APR percentage, that the annual percentage rate. They have several of them that's higher than PancakeSwap. So I'm gonna go with Shibaswap on the APR rate, but I'm gonna go with the PancakeSwap that having multiple wallets that's connecting to my actually platform. So I'm gonna say 1 and 1. I'm still gonna go with Shibaswap because I can get Shiba. I can get Shiba, Bone, and LEASH. Very simple and very easy, and I compare them together with different assets. So I'm still gonna say Shibaswap for the win. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today with another edition of Who Wins? And I'll be back with another Who Wins episode. I'm still comparing some other things together, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this, because this is the place to be for Shibaswap tutorial and more, and I'll see you on the next video.